Good morning everyone. This is Sheetal here. Today we are going to start the part of grammar that is articles. Now you all are familiar with articles. We are going to learn some more or some detailed points about the articles. Okay? To understand the articles, just read these sentences. The first sentence is Cleopatra is a famous historical character. What is the first sentence? Cleopatra is a famous historical character. Second sentence is an apple a day keeps a doctor away. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. And the third sentence is he is the best student from class. He is the best student from class. Now see, in these three sentences, a is the article, an is the article, and the is the article. These are the three articles in these sentences, and you know a and the. These are three articles we have been using now. Now, why we need these articles, where to use and how to use. The first thing is that now you came to know that a and the are called as articles. Secondly, articles indicate or show us that which person or thing we are referring to in a sentence. What is the use of article? It indicates or it shows us that which person or thing in the sense which noun we are referring to in a sentence. Means sentence में हम कौन से noun के बारे में लिख रहे हैं, बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, so it shows or indicates the noun which we are referring to in a sentence. And generally they are used before a singular nouns. So this is where we have to why we have to use articles, to show or indicate the nouns about we are talking in the sentence or we are referring in the sentence. Now we will just see the uses of articles. The first is a article. Generally it is used in front of a singular countable nouns. Okay. Next, a person, a animal or thing which are not specific. Not specific means we are not going to talk about one particular person or one particular animal. In general, when we are talking, in that case we can use a. Okay. I hope you understand it. In general, we are talking about the person or animal or thing. In that case, we can use a. Secondly, we don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. Okay, if there is any uncountable noun, before that we can't use a, and even before a plural noun we can't use a. Okay, we can't say some water, right? So we cannot use a before the uncountable noun or a plural noun. Third one is, if a noun start with consonants, we can use a before that. As we know that we can use an before the vowels. We know that our alphabets are divided into two parts, that is vowels and consonants. There are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, all you know it is A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels, and whichever the word which is going to start with these 5 vowels, in front of that we have to use an. And the rest 21 alphabets are called as consonants. So other 21 alphabets means any other word which is going to start with the consonant, in front of that we have to use a. This is the simple logic we have been learning from last year or 2 years before. So we can use a with consonants and an with vowels. And is also used in front of a singular countable nouns which are not specific. Even whenever we are using and we are not going to talk with the specific noun. In general we are going to talk it, but there is a difference that a is used before a consonant, whereas an is used before the vowel. We don't use a before uncountable or a plural noun, as I told you, and the same way we can use it in front of the vowels, that is a, e, I, o, u. Next, the third one is the. We use the in front of all nouns. Okay, it does not matter whether the noun are singular, plural, countable or uncountable. Okay, what is the use of the, that we use the in front of all the nouns, whether it is a singular, plural, countable or uncountable. Okay, then why the is differ from a and, so the is used to describe someone or something specific or unique. Whenever we want to show something special, unique or a specific, we can use the to show the noun. For example, the moon, the world, the sun, the atmosphere, right? So these are some things which we can use to show the particular noun. So you all know about a and the. There are, again just repeat, a is used in front of singular countable noun. It does not use with the uncountable plural nouns, and is used the singular countable noun, whereas and cannot be used in front of countable plural nouns, and is used with the vowels a, e, I, o, u. The, which is used to show or describe the someone's or something special or unique. Okay, now there are basically two types of article. The first one is indefinite articles and the second one is definite articles. Now see, in indefinite articles generally refer to a person or a thing in general. Okay, indefinite article, it is generally used to show a noun in general. Means we are not going to talk about one specific person or specific things, or so in such a case we can use indefinite articles, that is a, on, an. Whereas the we can use as a definite articles. Why we can call the as a definite articles? Because the is the definite article because it is used before a particular person or thing, or in other word we can say it used to show the specific person, specific noun or the uniqueness of that noun. Clear? So the is called as a definite articles. Now see, we can use the before the name of rivers, the oceans, seas, or you can use it before the name of mountains, mountain range, deserts, or you can even use to use the in the superlative degrees also. You can use the in some phrases also. You can use the to show one famous buildings like the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. So these are some rules where we can use the, means wherever you came to know that we want to show the uniqueness or the specific person or the specific building or the specific area, okay, which is unique, which is specific, which is special, in such a case we can use the article the. So these are the two types of articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles comes a and definite articles is the. Now there are some, in some cases we have to omit the articles also. Means we need not to add the articles in sentences. So that is what the omissions of articles. Now in which cases we can omit the articles? The first one is articles are not used before the names of people, towns and cities. Articles cannot be used before the names of people, town and cities. For example, Rajesh want to be sailor when he grows up. Means you are going to talk about a Rajesh. So in such a case we need not to use a, an or the, right? Because we know that we have started our sentence from the particular person, so we have to use the name directly. Second thing is they are not used before the days of week or the months of year. Whenever we are going to show the days of weeks or the months of year, we need not to use any article. For example, Monday is the first day of the week, so we need not to say the Monday, a Monday, and Monday. Nextly, the third rule is that they are not used before the names of precious metals. Precious metal means gold, diamond, like these type of things, these type of metals, we need not to use any articles. Okay, for example, the ring is made of gold. The ring is made of gold. In such a case, we need not to use the gold, a gold. Okay, because it comes under the precious metal. So these are the some rules where we can omit the articles, and along with that we have seen the two types of articles, that is definite and indefinite articles, that is a and definite article is the. Okay, so just go through the chart again, read it properly, note down important points so that we can solve the exercise. Fine. So read the sentences again, rules again. Till that, thank you so much.